Welcome to Tango Basic Plus lessons. Here we will explore basic figures which are described in technique books and also interesting choreographies. And today let's look at open promenade and syncopated basic reverse turn. And now let's welcome our wonderful demonstrators, Romance and Violetta. So we start with open promenade, which is slightly different from closed promenade. Difference is in last step, and after that we will dance basic reverse turn. So man starts from promenade position and goes slow, quick, quick, slow, step outside partner, and syncopated basic reverse turn with man's cross and close at the end. Now let's look at Romance and Violetta. They will show us open promenade. So we start from promenade position, of course, slow, quick, quick, slow. Very good. From opposite angle. So we take promenade position and dance slow, quick, quick, and last step is for lady backward. Very good. Now let's continue with basic reverse turn. So basic version is in timing quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. So we dance quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Very good. Now from opposite angle. And quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. And we finish diagonally to wall. Now we will change ending, we will turn more, and lady will change last step to cross. And one more thing, we will change timing to syncopated timing, and quick, quick, and quick, quick, and from opposite angle. And quick, quick, and quick, quick, and. And now let's put together open promenade and then syncopated basic reverse turn. Slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, and quick, quick, and. Very good. Now let's do it from opposite angle. And slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, and quick, quick, and. After that we will dance 5-step. Man starts with left foot, forward to side, back in CBMP, back and tap to promenade position. From opposite angle. So lady starts with right foot, back to side, forward in CBMP, forward and tap to promenade position. And now let's put together these three figures. We will start from promenade position and dance open promenade. Now syncopated basic reverse turn and 5-step. Notice lady's head movement in 5-step. Very good. And now from opposite angle, this time with a teaching count. And slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, and quick, quick, and quick, quick, slow, and slow. Very good. And now let's do some more figures for the start of choreography. We will do outside swivel into corner. Then we will do step and tap and in, out. From opposite angle. And quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, and slow. And now let's put together whole choreography. So we start near corner with outside swivel, then step, tap, in and out, open promenade, continued by syncopated basic reverse turn, and 5 step. Very good. Now from opposite angle with teaching count. And quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, and slow. Slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, and quick, quick, and quick, quick, slow, and slow. And now to music. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Romance and Violetta, and special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching, and see you in the next dance videos.